Itachi's strong, cute. This guy nukes armies with one fireball. Wood style, top tier, thanks to Hashirama cells, his favorite donor. And yeah, he drops meteors. One smashed Onoki's bald spot into another dimension. The other, just in case the first one missed. Perfect Susanoo, one swing equals no more mountain. Landscape, reset. He's basically a kaiju in a ninja cloak. Now, Limbo, border jail. He summons 4 invisible clones with the same power as him. Can't see him, can't sense him, can't touch him. 4, yes, 4. Also, he swaps Sharingan and Rinnegan like their contact lenses. Guy with 8 gates? Nope. Sage Naruto and Sasuke? Still nope. This man isn't just strong. He's a one-man apocalypse. Final boss energy. Want to see more ninja chaos? Hit that subscribe before the next meteor hits.